Prepare your reassembly plan before the truck arrives so dismantled furniture can be set up quickly at the new house. Start by inventorying each piece and its hardware, photographing assembly from multiple angles so you can reverse the process easily later. Use labeled bags for all screws, bolts, dowels, and small parts, and tape each bag to the corresponding furniture piece or inside a clearly marked box so nothing gets separated. Keep common tools like Allen wrenches and screwdriver bits in a dedicated tool roll and pack power tools such as a drill in your personal vehicle rather than the moving truck to ensure immediate access. Attach paper manuals to the item with a binder clip or staple a printed parts list to the hardware bag, and also download and name the manufacturer PDF manuals on your phone or cloud storage for backup. When disassembly requires more than 2 people, schedule helpers for the first few hours after arrival or book a professional assembler for complex items like wall units and modular kitchens. Plan a logical reassembly order by placing larger foundation pieces first, then assembling smaller items nearby so you do not have to move finished pieces around the new space. Common mistakes are mixing hardware from different items because parts were not bagged and labeled, which you avoid by using clear, labeled bags taped directly to each item. Another frequent issue is losing the right Allen wrench or bit set, so pack a small kit of metric and standard keys and keep it with your essentials bag to prevent delays. People also underestimate the time required and do not arrange help, which leads to rushed or unsafe assembly, so book assistance in advance or set aside a full day to reassemble the bulk of larger pieces. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice on moving and reassembly. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and coordinate recommendations, and we help contractors find work through our member listings.